Assalamu alaikum. So it's coming to the end of the afternoon here in Bamyan, and my local guide so kindly has invited me to go and see his family here in the valley, as you can see, covered by these beautiful mountains, to cook kulekhe. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's a very traditional dish here in Afghanistan. Potatoes are in season, and this dish, this very famous dish, is a mix of potatoes and chicken. So we just went to the bazaar and picked up a very fresh chicken, watched it being killed, skinned and cut up, ready for us to eat. Beautiful landscape, beautiful people. I'm so grateful to be here, to be seeing this and to be witnessing true Afghan culture and hospitality, so I can't wait for tonight. So straight ahead of here, they're cooking the dish, very fresh here in the trees by fire. Let's take a look.
It is because of you guys.
Wow.
It is locally. And potato, some people they have many.
Okay, so these are potatoes that will head inside the big fire just here. Kuluk in Persian actually means mud, so this is what this means. We'll put the chicken and the potato inside the big fire, surrounded by mud, and wait for it to slow cook for, I think, about an hour until it's ready. And then while it's cooking, we'll head into the village, meet the family, hopefully have some good Afghan tea, and then head back to eat this delicious traditional food. Here goes the fresh chicken we just bought in the market. Beautiful. The fire was finally hot enough to put inside the potatoes and the fresh chicken, and what they've done is they've collapsed all the mud, the kulak, and now, inshallah, it will slow cook for the next hour, hopefully retaining all of those incredible juices and the amazing seasoning that they placed on top. So I can't wait to eat this. I'm so excited. I've just arrived here to the village of Sumara. This is where my guide's family live. We have cousins, uncles, aunties, all living around this local area. You can hear donkeys in the distance. It's so beautiful, such a local family here, all surrounded by these pretty epic mountains, all the children running around. Let's head inside and meet the family. Okay, we just made it inside the family house. I'm not going to film the women upstairs just for their privacy. But here you have the children running around, and this is what the house looks like. Area down here which I'll tell more about later. Let's head inside. Assalamu alaikum. This behind me is all the lint for the fire which they have to keep, especially in the winter. It gets really, really cold here in Bamyan during the winter, and they don't have the money for the gas, so they have to stay here. And this is what they use to heat the house and the home and all of the areas for the families. They actually spend 5 hours riding by donkey to pick this up, and 5 hours all the way back with all of it on the back of the donkey in order to keep warm.
Yeah, it's different house.
Oh.
I'm gonna head inside the house now and check out the rooms. All the kids are so cute. Afghan hospitality never ceases to amaze me. Beyond mind blown by the people here in this village, their kindness, generosity, and their determination to make their future amazing. And you can see the sun setting behind me and the beautiful mountains. Very grateful to have experienced this. This was phenomenal. I'm back down here in the valley to taste the kulekhe. I am so excited. I feel very blessed to have just spent some time with that local family. Such kind people, really, really representative for all Afghans that I've met so far. Just so hospitable, so friendly and so kind. And I love this city. I'm loving my time here, it's beautiful. Now let's taste this beautiful traditional Afghan food. This is the beautiful chicken that just came out the fire. Got a whole group with us. Okay, so here is the beautiful chicken that's just come out of the fire. Beautiful fire. I'm surrounded by everyone here from the village. It's beautiful. Okay, let's taste it. Covered in a beautiful salt and pepper with fresh garlic on top. Smells amazing.
Tasty.
Wow. It's really good. Super smoky from the fire and the flavors on top. Wow, it's delicious. Now it's a potato, beautiful fluffy potatoes with the salt and pepper on the outside. I love it. It's so good. Surrounded by everyone.